Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to our channel ALP Talk, General and Electrical Aspect.
In today's web interview, we have our guest Mrs. Jarina with us. She is an instrumentation and control engineer. It is a part of electrical engineering only. She did her MTech, so his profile and everything is very interesting. Why? Because this is completely different course. We won't find many profiles like this because most of the branches are electrical, mechanical, civil, or EC, electronics, something like that. So we can see very few people with other branches. For example, like this. So instrumentation and controls. Yeah, when if we come to the industry where so many processes are involved. For example, chemical industries and electrical thermal power plants mainly where boiler, the pressure conditions, process, everything is involved, measuring temperatures of the boilers, taking control of pressure. So there are some different aspects are there. Those things will be very much detailed by these instrumentation engineers. They can take care a lot when compared to other engineers because the curriculum and everything is like that. So this profile seems interesting. I hope the discussion, whatever we discussed, it may benefit you. Keep watching till the end. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I am fine. Welcome, Jarina. Welcome to our channel, ALP Talks. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you for inviting me.
yeah. Sure. Thank you. Yeah, you accepted our invitation in very less time, and you are here today for sake of knowledge sharing. Thanks a lot. Welcome again to our channel.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, good. Yeah, how about you?
I'm fine.
Okay, nice. So you are in Chennai, right?
Presently, now I'm in Chennai.
Okay, good. Yeah, so how things are there in Chennai with respect to COVID and all?
COVID, it is going okay. No, actually, previously so many restrictions are there, but now it is okay. Office also, it is running. No work from home, so we have to go.
Okay. You are going to office, right?
Back to normal life.
Okay, almost normal life nowadays.
Almost.
Okay. Good, Zarina. Yeah.
And how
So,
is COVID there, Bombay?
yeah, I'm in Vadodara. It's okay now. It's almost like normal days only. Our office
Okay.
also starting with some 30% people. Yeah, it's that
Okay.
not that much intense. Yeah,
Okay.
good to know. Yeah. Okay. Welcome again. So,
Thank you.
yeah, before going to our discussion, we want to know a few things about your educational and professional background. So, who you are, what you are doing, so that, yeah, because people are spending some time with us, so it's better if they know some details about us. Yeah, please speak
Yeah,
about few words
sure.
about you. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, my name is Zarina. I completed my BE from Satyabama University, Electronics and Control Engineering.
Yeah.
So later I have taken GATE actually. After GATE qualified, I have joined MIT, Instrumentation Engineer. To the later, immediately have joined Fitchner Consulting Engineers. So actually my dream is to join in research and development, manufacturing side. So unfortunately, I did not got. So I got this offer. So I want to join in this. So after joining only, I have learned a lot. Actually, I want to say actually,
That's
so I don't
true.
have field experience, but design I'm having.
Okay.
AutoCAD, product software. So
Yeah.
field experience I'm having less actually. Only one
Okay.
industry have visited.
Yeah. Okay, no issue on that. You are too far good than anybody else who don't have any experience at all. So we don't worry about that. Very nice to know. Yeah, some interesting stuff is there in your profile. For example, triple EC, those are different. Triple E means electrical and electronics. EC, electrical and communication. What is this ECE controls? You are saying controls. It is new branch in Tamil Nadu, something like that, or what you say?
Yes, actually, previously it is there. Nowadays, no people knows. When I joined, it is popular. It is popular. So control and instrumentation. So I like control part. I have joined. I got seen there. So I thought the professors are also good. I have listened that. So okay, we'll go in that field, instrumentation side field. So I have went through that and I have joined and I have taken GATE also instrumentation. So ME also I have gone through instrumentation.
Yeah. So the BTech, it is ECE, right? ECS or what? Electrical
ENC
and
will call ENC.
electrical
Control
and
engineering. You can call me instrumentation and control.
Okay.
INC.
Okay.
Now actually present instrumentation and control design engineer.
Okay. Yeah, the stream itself, yeah, I'm also listening. Yeah, it's there in MTech, I mean, in post graduation. In BTech level, I didn't observe that. Yeah, mostly I will say triple only, something like that. Because in triple itself,
Yes.
I studied, for example, only one subject, instrumentation, in my entire electrical triple course, electrical engineering course. Some all transducers and everything, some other those things we covered.
In Tamil Nadu, actually, it is popular only control and instrumentation.
Okay. Nice. Can you speak few words about that course, because the people who are watching our videos, they may also get some awareness about that course. I mean, what subjects you will discuss in the 4 years? Little bit about that course.
Nothing is there. Actually, we are equivalent to triple branch. Will come under triple branch. What is there? Control means what? P and IDs are there, and so many ratio controllers in that field. Controllers, which are part. If suppose thermal power plant, I'm working in a power plant. In that furnace, we have to control everything: temperature, main temperature, pressure, everything we have to control. Walls are there, set points, vehicle gases. That everything we have to monitor in SCADA PLC systems. Everything we will take actually. Controls. What are the logics? Main logics we have to do. So okay, when the wall has to trip, when wall has to on, when pressure is going high, what we have to do? What we have to less coal or air something like that. For example, I'm saying not that. Everything it will come controls. This is control part. Instrumentation is what a field devices. Suppose in one pipe is going, in that pipe we have to maintain this pressure. We want to measure that point. At that point, we want to know what is the pressure, what is the flow. Instruments that which are instruments is perfect. This is the instruments we will design inside how it is. We meters are showing, displaying everything. This is the instrumentation part. This side it will be there. So under that, how much pressure and temperature we have to maintain, that process engineers they will deal actually. So this is what instrumentation overall I can say.
Yeah, but still it is a mixed comp. I mean, we have measurements. There also we will discuss about so many meters, flow meter, some humidity meter, some temperature meter. So CRO, something like that.
Little bit depth actually.
Yes. I can say yours is most advanced, something like that. Electrical only, that is our measurements also only one subject. This instrumentation is also one subject, something like that. Yeah, we have control system also. How that control system is different from yours? Yours is completely different, or for example, we have.
No, same only. I think we will study only P and IDs. I think proportional integral.
Yes, something like
only
that.
P and IDs. Actually, that is popular only. But there are so many controls are there. Control logics. So many it will come ratio and
PID, integral controller, derivative controller.
Derivative controllers. We'll study depth and something. So many are there actually. Ratio controllers also there. So many types are there. Not only PNID. PNID is the main thing. In nowadays, we are using everywhere PNIDs only. Not other control systems we are using. Wherever it is applicable, we are taking actually.
Okay. Very nice. It's very little bit new, but it's very interesting also, I can say. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. What about this instrumentation engineering, about your MTech course? So at MIT, what is the I mean, what projects you done? Anything? Can you speak few words about that general way it make use of?
Project, actually I did differently my project also. Thermal imaging, thermal images.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
actually thermal image, we will calculate temperature. By scanning in that photo,
Yes,
we will take
yes.
at particular point temperature will measure.
Yeah,
So what my idea, actually, my guide was thought that, so we'll take any, suppose instrument will take thermocouple. We have taken thermocouple. So by using that one, that material part will be there.
Yeah,
Materials, the two biomaterial metals will
Yes,
be there,
yes,
right?
yes,
In
yes.
that, by using, we can go up to 1500 by using reusing.
Yes,
That
yes.
metal part, it will be degrading.
Yeah.
So degrading, then measurement will be varying actually.
Yeah.
Exact measurement we cannot, it will not come.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
like this, to know that material degradation part, we thought we'll take image of that to use. So what I did now, I used to keep one day fully in a furnace, the thermocouple, and I will take early morning image. So that like that, and every half an hour once I have taken. After 2-3 days, I have taken every half an hour, and one day like that I have taken, and I have taken image processing.
Okay.
So I have
Okay.
that the material part only have taken part, and I am seeing whether how much image was decreasing. That metal part, as the temperature is in a higher temperature. At the time I'm taking image, and I have classified, okay, by image processing or thermal image camera also, we can see degradation. In field also, so there are so many advantages, thermal image. In field also, we can capture image and we can identify easily where temperature it is rising, where. So unfortunately, I did not complete my ME project. So he given to my next student. Half I have completed everything, and my data, everything he is taken to next.
Yeah, that depends, because if it is very huge project, means a single person it may not complete. It will take time also. Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
At least someone is taking it further, so that some good concept will come out. Yeah, very good, Jarina. Yeah, it's we have UV cameras, right? Ultra, I mean, cameras for capturing very high temperature photos. What about that? If you did you have any idea on that? We have some ultra cameras for if you take any photos with camera, UV camera. So it will, for example, myself being
IR actually.
sorry, IR camera. Yes,
infrared.
Yeah. Can you speak about that infrared cameras? How it is different from with thermocouple? Also, we can take only readings. That is not like image. How you taken the images in your project? Can you explain a bit about that? Hello.
How I can actually camera will be different actually. Image will be there. That image, that coloring will be there. By coloring, we can differentiate. If it is higher temperature, if you take normal temperature is there, we can see red color. Red is a higher temperature, we can indicate. It will be like a colorful green and red.
Yeah, something like that. Yes.
Green means less temperature. Less temperature. Then we can identify spots like that. Wherever temperature is there. So not only thermal image, now in military also we can use. Suppose night vision also we cannot identify. We can capture that. So here temperature it is. Hello.
Yeah, space. Yeah. It's audible now. Yeah, proceed. Yes, Jarina, please proceed.
So in military also it is where. Okay. Night vision. Then also we can use thermal camera. Suppose enemy is coming in fog and all early mornings, we can't see human being. By thermal camera, we can identify. Someone is there. We can identify. So night vision cameras will be different. And normal camera, it will be different. Mine is color images. So I can identify red spots and all. And I have taken image. I will capture image. I will take thermocouple from furnace outside with the precautions only with cloth. I will take and I will keep in table. So I will capture immediately with camera. That is a handle type. So we can capture like this. So after capturing, I will collect everything into my system. In MATLAB, I will do image processing. The temperature varying, the temperature, wherever temperature it is varying, for that coding I have given. So I can take that material part easily. So material, it will be image processing, black and white it will come. White part is the degraded material, higher temperature. So like this we can classify in.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Yeah, you clearly explain about all these things. Yeah. Okay, and you have some experience on different tools. For example, Product, BrickCAD, AutoCAD, PVC, HMS.
Yes.
Can you speak some few words about all these tools? I mean, can you explain which application we will use which tool? Can you explain a bit about that so that it is beneficial to many people who are watching our videos? For example, Product. Can you explain about Product?
Product, actually, if you know AutoCAD, I will explain. Similar to AutoCAD only, Product it will come. Okay, AutoCAD is a general. Okay, design purpose, layout purpose will be designing. Wiring diagrams will be the elementary. Suppose power plants is there. In power plants, we have to do wiring diagrams, logics, everything. That layouts, everything will be there. In that AutoCAD, we will take actually. Same like that AutoCAD, BricsCAD will be there. In Product only, BricsCAD will be there. Actually, what is the difference between AutoCAD and Product is that Product, no, we can dump data, everything. Master data will be there. If you take in selecting one project, in that master data, everything we can, cables, instruments, whichever instruments are there, we can dump everything together. And the AutoCAD is then by humans we will do. So human errors will be there. Cable, if suppose 001 cable we are using, and next time 001 cable we should not use. Another cable we have to use. In AutoCAD, it will not consider anything. 002, if you repeat also, it will come last thing. In Product, not like that. If we wire once, next time it will show error. Already it is connected, we can't able to connect. So this type of errors we can rectify in Product actually. It is very instrumentation part actually, wiring diagrams, P&IDs, everything we can do. This is the benefit of the Product software. So human error we can minimize everything and time saving also. We'll take terminal list, the cable schedule, everything. So everything normally we will do in MS Office, everything. It will take so much of time. 1 week at least for one.
That's true.
But in Product, no, if we complete wiring diagram, P&L is perfect. Here it will come within 1 day. So it is so it is a benefit of Product actually. So this is. And macros is in Excel actually. Previously, macros is in Excel I have done. Previously, we'll take in wiring and all from root and all from to drive control philosophy, everything will take interconnections. So each and every sheet we have to take and we have to dump. Before coming Product, no, we can actually we will used to do in Excel only. To simplify that one data, so I have developed program. Macros. So that it will take from this sheet to this sheet and it will come in one sheet. So like that program also. C language actually, if you know C basic C.
What about BricsCAD? It is similar to AutoCAD or what?
Similar to AutoCAD, and it will connect to Product resource. In Product resource will be there. So that resource, it will take from that resource data and it will show connect, it will be there. Same like AutoCAD, nothing. Commands, everything, it will be similar.
Nice. What about this PVCs? Can you explain something about that? Where we will use?
PVC is actually solar, actually efficiency. I did not work, unfortunately, I did not got solar projects. So while training, I have learned PV system. What I have learned, we can take weather data. Solar PV system, monitoring system, ISRO data, everything, previous data, already it will be available in PV system. So we can take, and PV system, another advantage is efficiency also we can calculate. So, and the area also. We can select one area and we can select modules, and companies also we can select in. whichever
Okay.
PV solar panels is there, whichever company is there, everything it will be available. So we can
Okay.
select that one PV module and we
Okay.
can arrange actually. It will show one layout type. There we
Oh.
can select every module and fix and
Okay.
every how much it is coming output. So
Yeah.
solar, what is the advantage of? They will select how much it is coming, how much beneficiary for us. If we place here solar panels, how much output we are, how much megawatt we can generate. Everything through PV system we can
Okay.
check actually. Later we can proceed actually.
Yeah, yeah. This PVC software, is this freely available, or
Software.
we have to purchase, or
No,
it
no,
is
no,
freely
not.
available?
No, we have to purchase, not
Oh.
freely available. We have to
Okay,
purchase.
okay, okay, okay. I mean, is anyone giving any coaching for that? Any institutes are giving coaching for that? For PVCs?
Coaching, I don't know. I
Okay,
think I don't
okay,
know. My
okay.
in my training, I have taken actually
Okay, okay. Good, good, good.
company.
Yes, yes, I got it, got it. Yeah, yeah. So, what is your experience at BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited? I mean, you showed some project,
Actually,
something.
okay. Yes, inspection actually we have went.
Can you speak few words about that? Yeah.
Actually, what we have got now some BOM,
Yeah, yeah.
BOP we got balance of plant. We got some part for inspection.
Mm-hmm.
Already BHL they are developing software for Bangladesh actually. That is
Okay.
Bangladesh project.
Okay.
So
Okay.
here they are developing everything, PLC softwares, everything, and that modules, hardware, software, everything for some part. For
Yeah.
steam generator alone, I have went for inspection with assist with my senior. I have went to
Yeah.
know
Yeah.
about that how software it will be there. So I have
Okay.
went for software inspection, and
Okay.
we have the that logics and all where the sheets are the P&IDs, wiring diagram sheets are available. So
Yes.
through that we have inspected everything are clear in software they have taken. So whether furnace, safeguard systems, everything it is going well, and they will run simulation also. It is available whether it is
Okay.
running properly. So whether it is running, whether logics are covered or anything is wall has missed. So everything we have went first small inspection, 1 week inspection I have went. So I
Okay.
have taken only one part unfortunately. Later
Okay.
COVID has started. So
Yeah. Yeah. That's true. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Yeah. Nice. So, can you explain us something about PLC? I mean, what is the applications of PLC? Where we will use? What is the purpose of using PLC? If PLCs are not there, generally, what we have to use in that place? So, something about designing of PLC architecture and all. Can you explain about that? Whatever understanding you have.
actually, PLC, DCS, it will be same. Actually, DCS SCADA will be there. Main DCS SCADA, and DCS will use for fast response. If in
Yeah.
power plants and all, we need fast response actually.
Yes. Yes.
Temperature design. In that applications, we can take DCS. And SCADAs and all very less in for solar and all we can use SCADAs and all SCADA systems.
Okay.
PLC also similar to DCS only, but not that much features will be there. Monitoring actually in screen
Okay.
it will be there. Modules will be there. IO modules and all.
Okay.
In that IO modules, we will take wiring diagrams are there, right? Wiring
Yeah.
diagram.
Yes. Yes.
In that only we can see how many wires are coming and cables and all. We will take that cable schedules, everything together we will keep and we'll connect in IO modules. Everything it will be there. After connecting, we'll develop a software. Actually, in
Okay.
industry itself, they will so the manufacturer they will develop. We'll give everything, wiring diagrams, everything inputs to them. They will,
Yeah.
according to that logics and all, they will develop software in that one. Logics also they will develop.
Yeah.
Everything they will give, and we can monitor in the system that if suppose a SCADA is that is simply you are monitoring in one room. Somewhere in boiler it will be raising. Here we can rectify issues
Yes.
immediately,
Yes.
actions, alarms.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we
Yes.
can monitor here.
Yeah.
So this is the similar only. SCADA and all we can relate to DCS and one particular power plant industry we can take.
Okay.
SCADA and all we can take in online data also.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to hear you. Yes, proceed. Yeah. Yes, yes, Jarina. Okay, okay.
So this is a brief explanation.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I got your point. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it's almost similar. Yes. So, yeah, what's your experience with respect to HVAC systems and all, logics and all, ED logics? Can you explain few things about that?
HVAC. Actually,
Yes.
if, I have handled two buildings,
Mm-hmm.
HVAC to 3-floor buildings, I think so. Now everything duct. For that HVAC wirings I have developed, wiring logics, everything. So P&IDs I have received everything, P&IDs in corrections.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
based on process mechanical department, I have
Mm-hmm.
taken logic, whether we have to increase here, what is the temperature we have to maintain inside.
Yes,
So
yes, yes,
everything
yes.
damper, fire dampers will be there.
Yeah, yeah.
So whenever fire occurs, so this has to be closed.
Mm-hmm.
So solenoid valves, limit switches, for fire dampers, limit switches, everything we have to consider. And we have developed logics in P&IDs. Later wiring diagrams also have implemented.
Okay.
HVAC is supply for a huge building. From
Mm-hmm.
one plant to we can supply to every building.
Okay, okay.
So like that, if in between fire dampers will be there, so it will be duct will be there, ducts will be there. From the duct, air will be flowing through all buildings.
Yes, yes, yes.
So somewhat knowledge I have HVAC.
Yes,
I
yes.
worked for 2 buildings.
Yes, yes, got it, got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Okay, yeah, it's one good project. I think you are involved. 1 megawatt plant. That is
Yes.
hybrid system to design hybrid control
That
algorithm
is
and all.
different actually. That is
Yeah,
innovative project.
yeah,
I have
yeah.
worked.
Yes.
Presently, I'm working there.
Okay,
Till it is
okay.
going.
Yeah, can you speak few words about that? I mean, what that? So that is like solar, wind, battery, everything.
Yes, hybrid gate innovative project actually. So
Uh-huh.
company has decided to develop new ideas. So new young engineers they have considered. If we have new ideas, we can develop like that. So that is also ongoing actually. What we thought hybrid is what is mean
Mix it.
combination of solar and wind.
Yeah.
While in some areas, suppose consider South Africa, their crude oils and all will not be available.
Yes,
Thermal
yes.
power plants.
Yes, yes.
Solar is available there.
Yes,
So we
yes.
can use of solar and wind combination. We can connect
Yeah.
to a small 1 mega. We have considered that is a small example only we have taken. 1
Okay.
megawatt we have considered. One
Yeah.
building we have considered.
Yeah.
And one building also refrigerators, whichever continuous
Yes, yes, yes. Continuous load.
refrigerators, AC,
ACs,
and in summer and winter, whichever varying, how
heaters.
much
Yeah,
in
yeah.
summer, what is the power we will utilize, in winter, how much power we utilize, whichever daily products, like that we have classified. Some
Okay.
estimation we have
Yes, yes, yes.
for
I
one
understand.
building.
Yeah, yeah.
For one building, we have estimation we have done.
Mm-hmm.
So after learning estimation, in one Excel we have developed. So logics. So
Yeah.
solar, wind, DG. When solar is on, wind off, DG is also off. How we can power, how much load it is there, and how much power it is coming. If power is coming from solar, it is less compared load data. We'll immediately on DG set. So like that, if wind is available, okay, wind we will connect. Mostly we will not use DG. Most renewables only will take. Worst case, suppose worst case, we will go for DG set. So like
Okay.
that, we have developed some Excel logics. So now we are thinking to develop in MATLAB.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
Excel. We can't say that when it is giving data, it is correct or not. So
Yes, yes, yes,
MATLAB
yes.
simulation, it is there. Simulation, if it is there, it will be good. So now
Yeah.
we are working. We did not started. I think this month then we will start.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's very nice project actually. Yeah, solar, wind
Yes,
arrangement.
ongoing.
Yeah, for example, if both solar, wind, both are available, then what you will take? For example, you are saying 1 megawatt plant. It's
Yes,
so.
battery backup. Batteries are there.
Okay, okay. You are pushing to
Energy
battery.
storage systems will be there.
So,
So in that we will store wherever excess energy is there, we will store it. So
okay.
whenever necessary, it will be there. From battery, we'll take. If battery also drains, we'll take from DC.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Yeah. For example, if it is 1 megawatt plant, then what will be the solar plant rating? Is this 1 megawatt or half megawatt, something like that?
Yes, everything 1 megawatt only we have considered. Wind also 1 megawatt and
Okay.
solar also 1 megawatt. Solar, what is the disadvantage? In the afternoon only we can get actually
That's
maximum
true.
power.
Yeah.
Mornings, nights will be not available. Morning maybe 9 o'clock only we will get.
Yes. Yeah.
And there's a 9 o'clock. Night times from wind maximum we will take from wind. Solar at peak times we can available solar from 12 o'clock to up to 4 will be available. So after that later from wind we will take. Both combination we will consider.
Okay.
If it is excess we will go for battery.
Yeah.
If it is less we will go for DC.
Yes. Okay. So DC setup is this 1 megawatt means if we need completely from what is the DC rating you considered? I mean, how much capacity of DC? Is this 1 megawatt or generally DC means KVA will be there? Is this 1500 KVA or 500 KVA? Can you speak about that DC rating? Hello, Jarina, are you able to hear me?
I think 15 we have considered. Yes.
Yeah,
15
okay.
we have considered.
Because DC rating should be KVA means it should be a little bit higher in compared to kilowatt. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Actually, I have taken. Actually, we are teammates. Actually, 3 people are there.
Okay.
So solar, wind, DC we have considered. I'm handling solar. So wind, DC are handling.
Okay. Nice. No issue. It's just a general discussion.
Okay.
It's may benefit to some people. Yeah. Okay. So generally, batteries and all is the lithium-ion batteries or any special batteries you need for that? Can you any idea on that?
No, presently we did not consider any special.
Okay.
Lithium only we have considered. For present we have considered. Later maybe it may varies.
Yeah. Yes, that's true. If, any R&D itself, it will take some time to develop anything new. Very nice. Yeah. Very nice, Jarina. You shared all your experiences and all. Yeah, that this stream itself little bit new.
Hello?
Yes. Yeah. I'm able to hear you. This stream itself a little bit new. This kind of instrumentation controls generally. I think.
Sorry, I can't able to hear you.
Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. You shared all your experiences clearly about that boilers and your college projects and all. This about logics and all. It's very nice. Yeah, because there are many people who are in electrical or some other who want little bit new things, not like regular things. I think they can opt these fields also. This seems something interesting also.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for your discussion today. Yeah, if any new people want to come to this instrumentation field and all, what you suggest them? To summarize our today's discussion, if any new people want to come to this instrumentation field, what you suggest to them, what knowledge they need, what mentality mindset they need, something like that. Can you explain anything for those people?
So starting, I also don't have any idea. After entering into field only, this instrumentation only, I feel was very interesting field actually.
Yeah.
So nothing in the logics, if you know 0, 1 logic also, it will be fine actually in this. wherever logic is there, but some calculation it will be coming from to develop PNIDs. That one later we can cover. That is not an issue actually. It is an interesting subject. I can suggest those who want to take, I will best department I can say.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Zarina, again. Yeah, this is not the end for us. We are going to do many more interviews in future. I will make any topics with you. I will share some topics with you in which area you are
Okay, sure.
more knowledgeable. In future, we can discuss at some time. Yeah, just to share our knowledge, I started this YouTube channel. So
Yes, it's very nice actually.
yeah, it's benefiting many people. Many people are watching our videos. They are also getting some knowledge. So I think it's very good. So many people like you and many are voluntarily participating in these meetings, somehow sharing their experiences and all. Yeah. So
Yes.
so I thank you again for coming to this meeting. Yeah. Okay, dear. Thank you. Have a great day
Thank you for
ahead.
inviting me.
Yeah.
Thank
Bye. Bye. Take care.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is about today's web interview, guys. I hope today's content is helpful to you. It may benefit you in some way. So if you want to be a part of in this web interview, if you want to share your knowledge, if you have any good thoughts or projects, if you need any help, please reach us. We have a good team here. Our team will definitely help you to resolve your queries and all. If you want to know some new things, or if you need some guidance on any advanced topics, anything, you can message us. Then also we are ready to take care of those things. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. So if you are watching these videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future updates. Thank you. We will meet in next video.